Welcome to this Fix-It Tech News channel and SolarWinds. That is keeping on the discussion. SolarWinds is the big hack that's been happening. Actually, it's been infiltrated, and every website, every company that used SolarWinds has been pretty much breached in some way. Now we're getting news today that Malwarebytes, the famous security software company, has also been breached with SolarWinds, with some of its information stolen. And, it's crazy because what we're seeing here is some major attack that went under the radar for so long. Big companies, almost every big tech company has some form of stolen data and stolen information because of this. It really, really is something to think about, because crazy that this happens. So, we have Adobe, we have Microsoft, we have tons of companies that are saying, yep, we've got bitten too. Some to more of an extent than others, some less. But still, it's something to think about. That maybe we need a little more control and more verification of, the underside of what's happening, especially in big corporations and the different technologies that are used. Trust is maybe something we got to be careful about when using different services and technologies. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.